where devil is always targeting is marriage. Devil don't like happy home, and devil is using divorce to destroy a lot of marriages. And for that reason, we all should join hands together to make sure we preach about our marriages to make it work.
Yo.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Mama? What's up? If today is your first time watching my video, you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my video, for always supporting me. Without you guys, there will be no me in that street of whitey. So I pray that the Almighty God bless you all. And if you haven't joined the family yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do me a favor, touch that red sign that said subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload video you will get notified. So to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, and please feel free to share my video. And if you like what I'm doing, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up. So let's go straight to today's video. I want to talk about marriage. From the topic, you've already know what I want to talk about. You've already know what I want to talk about. It's not all marriages that are bad. Let us start preaching good marriages. A lot of people have painted marriage in a way that people are beginning to hate marriages, and which is not supposed to be so. A lot of people have made marriage in a way that people are, in fact, people sees all marriages that they are bad, which is not supposed to be so. Or the most important thing that you can make your marriages work. Divorce is never the last case. You can, instead of divorce, you can go for a break. In life, even your own mother, even your own father that gave birth to you, you have misunderstandings with them. Even your own sisters, your own brothers. So it's not easy to live in a marriage, in a happy home. And devil like to destroy marriages. Devil always targets happy homes. And people are being ignorant to fall for devil's plans. Marriage is not easy. But when you marry someone you love, when you marry your best friend, you guys will become compatible. You guys will learn how to appreciate one another. You guys will learn how to obey. Even your brother, even your own sisters, you have misunderstandings with them sometimes. So that is it. It's not easy. It's not easy, guys, to live with a man that you just met. You guys become husband and wife. You start learning each other, start understanding each other, start mingling, start doing things together, start doing that butterfly love. It's not easy. There will always be a misunderstanding, whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not. So, my dear sisters, my dear brothers, let us start appreciating marriages. Let us not give the devil a chance to be destroying homes, to be destroying some marriages, to be making a lot. If you watch these days, a lot of divorce everywhere, a lot of divorce. And if you see anytime that any quarrel happen in a home, people will be advising you can divorce, you can divorce, you can divorce. It's your choice. But before then, you should think twice. You can also endure. You can divorce, at the same time you can also endure, especially when there are kids in the marriage. Is always very difficult. It's always very hard. We should also consider the upcoming children we are bringing out into this world. It's not easy for them. You may think they are kids, they will cope, is good for the all those things. My dear sister, my dear brother, divorce is not always the last option. So let us learn to love our marriages. Let us learn how to make our marriages work. I know marriage is not easy. That is why we have to, before you get into marriage, you have to be prepared. You have to be ready. Don't just jump into marriage. Marry your best friend. Marry someone that you guys are compatible, so that when there are difficulties, you guys can understand each other. You guys can settle it. Marry somebody you can be the perseverance, you can bear no matter what. That is what marriage is all about. Forget what you are seeing out there. There is no successful home. There is no successful marriages out there. If anyone told you that he or she marriage is better, my dear sister, my dear brother, that person is deceiving you. Look at all those successful women. They still bend down to their men. They still get married because God created this marriage for husband and wife. God never created only Adam. At first he created Adam, and he thought twice that Adam need a helpmate. He created Eve to complement it. He's not a stupid God. He knows what he's doing. Before he created woman being on earth, he has already known how woman being will react on this earth. So let us not be questioning God. Let us not be giving devil a chance to be destroying homes. Let us start preaching marriages. Let us start making people understand that you can make your marriage work, whether good or bad. Always think twice. Always know that you can also endure. You can also go for a break. Yeah. Okay, let's see what Bible said about marriage. Two are better than one. He never said one is better than two. He said two is better than one, because they have good returns for their labor. That is Bible that said it. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who fails and has no one to help them up. Also, if two lay down together, they will keep warm. Do you hear that? But how can one keep warm alone? That is it. There are a lot of everything, all the whole scriptures that God have described marriages. He has described it in a good way, in a better way. That shows that marriage is not a crime. People are making it now look as if it's a crime. It is not a crime. It's just for us to learn how to love our marriage and live in it. Divorce is never the last case. Take a break in your marriages. You can go for counseling. You can even take a break for 3 months and no, you take a break. Let everybody come back to his or her senses, because it's not easy to live together as man and wife. It's not easy. So let's start preaching how we should make our marriages work. It is like high institution that you will keep on going and you will never graduate. The more you think you've known it all, the devil will come to come and destroy, to come and steal, to come and bring, because the devil likes it when he sees a broken home. He likes it when there is fight. He likes it when he sees that things is not moving. That is what devil appreciates. And the devil is moving around now to destroy many homes. So that is why we have to let people know that it's not all marriage that are bad. And it's not all marriages that are good. So, but you can also make your own to work. You can endure, perseverance. You can bear. You can endure. If not for anything, use because of the beautiful children that God has given you on earth. Guys, I believe I've come to the end of this video. So thank you for watching. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly join the family and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and bye bye for now. As of now, I'm out. Ciao.
Yo.